the matchattax 2001 here, and today I'll be opening 1, 2, 3 packs of matchattax, and also 1, 2, 3 packets of adrenaline. Yep, so first I will open my matchattax. Yeah, so first pack of matchattax. It's a shiny pack, and the shiny I got is Jonathan Woodgate Star Signing, which is a trade. I got Craig Bellamy, which is a trade. Steve Sidwell, which is a trade. Daniel Billy Shankoff, which is a trade, and Danny Welbeck, which is a trade. So that pack is full of trades. Next packet. I'll do this packet. I think this is a base pack here. Alright, first card is Didier Drogba. Second card, Stuart Holden. Third card, Martin Olsen, Nathan Delfonso, and Barkley Sanya, and a new games guide, all trades. Again, very good cards yet in this matchattax opening. What did I get here? I think this is another base pack. Yeah, another base pack. We got Martin Grams Pedersen, Stephen Warnock, Thomas Vermaelen, Chelsea goalkeeper Peter Cech, and Zat Knight. Yeah, so pretty crappy packs for matchattax today. Only good card I got was Woodgate Star Signing, and that's a trade. Yeah, so 2 base packs and no man on matches or good moments. So now I'll move on to the first pack of adrenaline. Yeah, this is a 90 pack. It's hard to get open these adrenaline packs, so I'll just use the scissors. Let's get the cards out. Yeah, so I got Javier Mascherano, Boyata, Maggio, Edin Dzeko, Schwenkels, and Van der Weel fan favorite. Yeah, so that's a good card. Next pack of adrenaline. Cut it again. Yeah, so get the cards out here. Yeah, so here I got Lorendrew, Jermaine Boateng. Sorry, the lighting isn't that great. Peter Cech, Xavi Alonso, Leok Remy, and Ryan Giggs Master. Brilliant card there, Ryan Giggs Master. Yeah, Master, very rare. So yeah, it's a very good card. And last pack of adrenaline. Adrenaline packs are really hard to open. Yeah, so just getting the cards out here, hard to get out here. I'm gonna get some of the cards out there. Next, alright. I got Thiago Silva. Don't know how to say that name. I got Andre Chauvin, Varela, Zagbia, and Costa. Oh, I missed a card there. No, I didn't. Yeah, so I'll quickly just go through all the cards I got in the pack opening today, and then I'll show you the best cards I got in this pack opening. So first we'll do the matchattax. I got Zat Knight, Peter Cech, Thomas Vermaelen, Stephen Warnock, Martin Grams Pedersen, Games Guide, Sanya, Delfonso, Olsen, Holden, Drogba, Welbeck, Billy Shankoff, Sidwell, Bellamy, and Woodgate. And we got Zakbida, Costa, Varelo, Orshavin, Stefan Svinka, Silva, Giggs Master, Remy, Cech, Boateng, Lorendrew, Van der Weel, Morales, Dzeko, Maggio, Bonnard, Mascherano, and Alonso. And I'll very quickly just go through the shinies we got today. So we got Master, Ryan Giggs, So we only got 3 shinies today, not much. 3 shinies in 6 packs. Vanderwell, Woodgate, and Rangig's Master. Yeah. So that's all for today's video. Please comment, rate, and subscribe, and goodbye.